Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Empire. In this video, we are going to solve few problems which were asked in previous year RBI assistant exam. And this is third set and we have already posted two videos. If you're not yet watched the videos, I'll just give the link in the description. Please watch it. Now let's jump into the content. First one. So what is the first thing? Three friends A, B and C entered into a partnership. Okay, so how many members are there? Three members A, B and C entered into a partnership. A invested 1.5 times more than that of C. That is, if C is investing 100 rupees, okay, then A will be investing 250 rupees. Okay, because here they clearly mentioned 1.5 times more than. Okay, 1.5 times more than. Then what will be the ratio here? So the ratio will be 2 and 5. Okay, so ratio will be 2 and 5. Okay, next. And B invested 20 percentage of the amount invested by A. Okay, so if C is investing again, sorry, A is investing 100. Okay, so A is investing 100. B will be investing 20. So now again, what is the ratio? This is 5 times and this is 1 time. Okay, if A is investing 5 rupees, B will be investing 1 rupee. Okay, done. If the overall profit at the end of the year is 2400, okay, then find the profit share of C. So here if you observe, they have not given anything like how much or for how many years or how many months these members invested. So by default, we'll consider they all invested for same particular period. Okay, and we already know if time is same, then investment ratio is equal to profit ratio. That means profit ratio will be always in the ratio like 5 is to 1 is to 2. Okay, now 2400 they have to divide it in the ratio 5 is to 1 is to 2, that is 5 plus 1 plus 2 is like 8, and we need to find what is the profit share of C. Okay, so what is the amount of C into 2? Okay, so this is one time and this is like 4 time. Again, this is one time and it is like 600. So profit share of C is 600 rupees. Okay, fine. So next one. Pipe A can fill 50% of the tank in 6 hours. Okay, so pipe A can fill 50% of the tank in 6 hours. That means the complete tank will be filled by pipe A in how many hours? 12 hours. And pipe B can fill 100% of the tank in 18 hours. Okay, so pipe B can fill 100% of the tank in 18 hours. And pipe C can empty the full tank in 9 hours. So C is like empty. So what it will do? It will empty the tank in 9 hours. So this is like outlet pipe. Okay, fine. So if you take LCM, then we'll be finding the total capacity of the tank. Okay, so what is the LCM of 12, 18 and 9? So LCM will be like 36. Okay, now in 1 hour A will be filling 3 liters. So how to find this 3 liters? In the sense 36 divided by 12. Okay, so 36 divided by 12 3, next 36 divided by 18 2, and 36 divided by 9 4. And this C is like outlet pipe, that is 4 liter of water is wasted in one particular hour. That means if all the three pipes are opened in 1 hour, how much part of the water is like filled? So 3 plus 2 minus 4 will be like 1. So totally how many part of the work you have to do? 36 part. And in 1 hour, when all the three pipes are opened, okay, only one part of the tank is filled. So answer will be 36 hours. So answer is 36. Okay, next one. The percentage of Ram and Shyam is 5 is to 4. Age of Ram 2 years ago was equal to age of Sam 4 years hence. Okay, so let me take Ram's percentage is like 5x and Sam's percentage is like 4x. So Ram's age 2 years ago, okay, so this is like Ram and this is like Sam, okay, was equal to Sam's age 4 years hence. Okay, now so based on this we'll be getting value of x will be like 6, and what we need to do, find the percentage of Sam. Okay, so what is the percentage of Sam? So this is the percentage of Sam. So what is 4 into 6? 24 years. So answer for this particular question is like 24 years. Okay, next one. 4 men and 6 women can complete 150 percentage of the work in 12 days. Okay, so 150% of the work in 12 days in the sense, okay, 150% of the work in 12 days in the sense, 100% of the work will be completed by 4 men and 6 women. How many days? It will be like 8 days. Okay, so 4 men and 6 women will complete the complete work in 8 days, and 3 men and 7 women, okay, 3 men and 7 women can complete half of the work in 5 days. Okay, so half in the sense 50% of the work in 5 days in the sense, then 100% of the work will be done in 10 days. Okay, in how many days? 10 days. Okay, find the ratio of efficiency of man and woman. So anyhow, this is like 4 times and this is like 5 times. If you multiply, you'll be getting 16 men plus 24 women is equal to 15 men plus 35 women. By taking men's to one side, so 16 minus 15 is like 1 m is equal to, if I take this 24 women to right hand side, so 35 minus 24 will be getting 11 women. So the ratio of men and women is 11 is to 1. So the ratio of efficiency of men and women is 11 is to 1. Okay, next one. A container contains mixture of milk and water in which milk is 50 percentage more than that of what? Water. Okay, so here, so the ratio of milk and water is 50% more than the water. That is, the ratio will be 3 is to 2. Okay, so total how many parts? Total 5 parts. Okay, if 4 liter of milk added in the vessel, then the ratio becomes 100 percentage more than water. Okay, so 100% more in the sense, so milk and water will be like 2 is to 1 when at the final stage, that is after 4 liter of milk is added in the vessel. So 2 is to 1 I can write as 4 is to 2. So why I'm converting this 2 is to 1 in the ratio of 4 is to 2 in the sense, so initial quantity of water is like 2 part and they are going to add only milk. That means initial part of the water or initial quantity of the water and final quantity of the water should be same. Okay, so 3 is to 2 will become 4 is to 2, so that initial quantity of water and final quantity of the water will be same. Now here how much part it is added? So it is like 1 part is added, but in this particular question how much part is added? How much liters? 4 liter of milk is added. So 1 part equal to 4, then 5 part equal to how much? Because total is like initial quantity of the mixture is like 5 part, right? So 5 part equal to how much? If we cross multiply, you'll be getting the initial part is like 20. Okay, otherwise if you want to solve based on equation, so milk and water, so the ratio is like 3x by 2x, and now 4 liter of milk is added. So because of this, the new ratio is like 2 is to 1. Again, if we cross multiply, what will happen? 3x plus 4 is equal to 4x. So from this we'll be getting value of x is equal to 4. And what we need to find? Initial quantity of the mixture. So what is the initial quantity? So 3x and 2x, that is 5x, which is 20 liters. So answer will be 20 liters. Okay, fine. So hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.